All right, welcome to another video. Make sure you like and subscribe and share this video. Comment below if you have any questions. Today I'm just show y'all something very simple. It's how to change your cabin air filter. A lot of people don't change these, but if you start smelling stagnant air, dusty air, mildew, or anything like that, you want to go ahead and change this out. I usually change mine out every 20,000 miles, or I open it up and look at it and see what it looks like. But pretty much very simple. All you have to do is open your glove box here. And here you have a tab here and a tab on the other side. I can't hold my phone and do it at the same time, so once I pull it out, I'll be back. Alright, next what you want to do, you have tabs again on another one. This will hold the air filter itself. So you do this tab and the tab on the other side, and you just push them in and pull out. Alright, as you can see, it's pretty dirty. I guess it could go a little longer, but I'm going to go ahead and change it out. And if you look on the front, it'll show you the airflow. And that's the same way you want to put the air filter. See, airflow is right there, and you do the same thing. All right, so y'all can get a better idea what I'm talking about. See the arrows pointing down, airflow and airflow. That's the way you want it. And simply just put it right back in to the glove box there, and that's it. And if this was helpful, make sure you like and subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching.